Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing the old eBay PC. Yes, this is right. We are building a PC for under $500 off of eBay. So yeah, let's get straight into the parts. Our hard drive is the 1TB Seagate Barracuda drive. It's SATA, pretty good. Graphics card is the RX 550 D5 2GB HDMI, DVI, and DisplayPort. All that's good stuff. It will go perfectly with our motherboard, which I'll get into in a minute. And our case, the Speed H698 USB 3.0 PC tower case for office use or gaming. It comes with a power supply. I think that's a pretty good deal. Our fan is the Core LED CPU quiet fan cooler heatsink for Intel. Yeah, it's gonna go great with some RAM. The Samsung, just some Samsung RAM, 8GB, which is pretty good in my opinion. Our CPU is the AMD CPU FX Series FD-4 100 quad-core CPU. 3.6 GHz socket AM3. It's honestly good processor for the price. And last but not least, our motherboard is the Asus M4N68T-MV2. It supports DDR3 and AM3. So let's go through all the prices from top to bottom. The hard drive is $69. The graphics card is $135. The computer tower case is $49.95. The heatsink is $30.40. The RAM is $73.32. CPU is $44.01. And the motherboard is $50. So that rounds us up to the total of $434. So yeah, that is the whole build. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment down below what you want me to do for the next PC build or the next video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.